Welcome back, everyone. This is Lewis here with East Coast Hunting Tips. Thank you for joining me. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I specialize with deer hunting tips and other hunting tips as well. So if you want to hit that subscribe button, and you can join me along on my deer hunting adventures and other hunting adventures as well. So today we're going to be talking about fawn bleats. Now we've talked about doe bleats and buck grunts. Now today we're going to be talking about fawn bleats. Now, what is a fawn bleat? A fawn bleat's very simple to do. You just take your little monoslide here on your call, whatever call you want to use. This call has a setting and it says F, that's for fawn. So we're going to slide that right down to fawn. And basically all you do is this. And that's pretty much it for the fawn bleat. And it's very effective if, say, you have a nice big doe that you've been getting on trail camera. You know, sometimes you can use that call to draw her in. It's a pretty simple and effective call to use. And also, you can also use that call during rut, and it'll sometimes pique a buck's curiosity too. I have had that happen before. So, you know, again, pretty simple. You have it on the F setting. Then you can just do a get that call going in every direction. And that's basically a fawn, you know, saying, hey, I'm over here. You know, you can do like even a soft contact grunt too, just a you know, just letting any nearby does in the area know that there's a fawn over there that's by itself. You know, it's a pretty effective call if you want to fill some doe tags. Say you have a bunch of nuisance permits, you know, pretty simple to do, and it'll draw does. It'll pique does' curiosity a lot more than it will a buck, so you'll have pretty good success if you're doe hunting with that call. But there is some times where you can pique a buck's curiosity too, so they can come in and see what's going on with the fawn. So that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you for watching. You can drop a like on this video and subscribe, and we'll see you next time with some more tips. Thanks for watching.